So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita Gajankush, your second year veterinary medicine student at Bombay Veterinary College. And today we are going to talk about what is your next strategy. Like जो हो गया वो हो गया, बुरा हुआ, सबके साथ बुरा हुआ. I just remember that one girl जिसका 1 मिनट से पेपर छूट गया था, but I think she must be the happiest person on this planet right now. But ठीक है, जो होना था हो गया, अभी आगे क्या करें. नाउ टर्न ऑन योर सर्वाइवल इंस्टेंट्स एंड जो भी अभी आपके हाथ में बचा हुआ है, जो अभी आप कर नहीं पाए थे, वो अभी आप करेंगे. और फर्दर डिले, लेट्स गेट ऑन द वीडियो.
2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Trust me guys, I know exactly what you guys are feeling right now because I went through almost the same thing during my NEET 2024. The year was very chaotic. Every day there were controversies, paper leak, allegations, 720 on 720 scores everywhere, almost 65 students scoring full marks in my year of NEET. Inflation so high that students even scoring 650 were getting ranks, but nobody was expecting a government college. And right now, when everyone is talking about re-NEET 2026, I know exactly what is going on through your head. Fear, confusion, anger, exhaustion. And some of you are continuously scrolling through YouTube searching will re-NEET happen, पर अभी तो फिर फिक्स ही हो गया कि अभी होने ही वाला है. बट नाउ ऑब्वियसली यू आर इन अ सेल्फ डाउट कि मुझे उतने मार्क्स मिलेंगे कि नहीं अगर मेरा पेपर बहुत अच्छा गया. जिनका अच्छा नहीं गया उनके लिए दिस इज़ लाइक अ सेकंड चांस, बट जिनका अच्छा गया है उनको बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा लग रहा होगा क्योंकि नाउ दे डोंट नो दैट व्हाट्स गोना हैपन विद देम. टुडे आई एम नॉट मेकिंग दिस वीडियो एज सम ऑफ अ टॉपर और टीचर. आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो एज ऑफ समवन हु हैज़ एक्चुअली sat in the exam hall of NEET, panicked for NEET, experienced the anxiety and somehow still got through it. I have already spoken about my NEET exam in this video, or maybe the video will be pinned. And I had a panic, anxiety attack before my NEET exam, and I don't even know what is exactly that at that point. And when I came back home and I was just like scrolling my Instagram, just took a breath कि हाँ अभी I am free. At that point I realized, oh, that was a panic attack. That was an anxiety attack which I had before exam, and it was just like that. Oh, मुझे डर लग गया, मैं ये सब normal है. And actually at that point that's the best thing, because जब आपको पता है कि मेरे साथ कुछ अनयूजुअल हो रहा है, या फिर मुझे अगर आपको पहले ही पता रहता है कि पैनिक अटैक क्या है, एंजाइटी अटैक क्या है, तो आप शायद वो चीज़ को लेकर थोड़ा ज़्यादा ओवर रिएक्ट भी कर सकते हो कि ओ इट्स हैपनिंग विथ मी, ओ ये मुझे हुआ है करके. बट अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि वो चीज़ क्या है, जो कि मुझे नहीं पता थी, सो इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक अ सिंपल एग्जाम एंजाइटी फॉर मी. मुझे नहीं पता था कि मुझे एंजाइटी अटैक आया है एक्चुअली. जस्ट लाइक जो इनसाइड आउट मूवी में अगर आपने देखी होगी कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, बट इट इज़ सच अ क्यूट एंड ग्रेट मूवी. वो मूवी में जो एंजाइटी एक्सप्लेन की है, दैट एक्चुअली हैपेंड विथ मी ड्यूरिंग माई नीट एग्जाम. बट आई एम सो ग्लैड अबाउट इट कि जो भी मेरे साथ हुआ वो मेरे एग्जाम के पहले हुआ, और जब मैं एग्जाम हॉल में आई काम माई सेल्फ डाउन और बैठ गई, एंड देन आई जस्ट गेव माई नीट पेपर. बट आई स्टिल रिमेंबर सिटिंग देयर बिफोर द पेपर स्टार्टेड एंड माई हार्ट बीट वॉज सो फास्ट दैट आई genuinely felt I wouldn't be able to give the exam properly. And that's the thing nobody talks about. People only talk about marks. People only talk about कि रैंक क्या आया है, कैसा गया पेपर. अरे वो तो सबके साथ ही होता है. बट स्पेशली आफ्टर स्टडिंग फॉर 1 or 2 or even 3-4 years, और स्पेशली ड्रॉपर्स का जो माइंडसेट रहता है, जो आपका दिमाग खराब होता है इफ़ यू आर अ ड्रॉपर, nobody can feel that pain unless you are a dropper. But somehow I calmed myself down. I told myself that I just need to focus on my paper, and that's what matters the most right now. And eventually I gave the paper. I kept myself calm mentally, and this I got through it. अभी मैं शायद MBBS नहीं कर रही हूँ, but I am so happy what I am doing right now. But now honestly, let's talk about the situation with re-NEET and what you really need to do right now. Unlike NEET 2024, this time things have moved on very fast. They have not taken a lot of time to like re-announce कि हाँ बहुत सारे वीक्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशंस इस बार नहीं हुए. इस बार उन लोगों ने एक ही वीक में बोल दिया था कि हाँ नीट अभी वापस होने वाला है. सो इट्स अ गुड थिंग, which means that there's no point to continuously asking that will re-NEET happen or not. Now your focus should shift on how do I prepare mentally and academically again, because whether we are liking it or not, the exam is gonna happen. And I know the students who are scoring 600, 650, 680 and even 700 plus are heartbroken right now. But imagine studying for almost 4 years, finally performing well, and finally relief after the paper, and suddenly you have been told that you have to do it again. It feels unfair, but listen to me carefully. If the re-exam was not gonna happen, and if the inflation became extreme again like the NEET 2024, then even the high scores would suffer badly. People forget the fact that admission is based on rank, not on marks. That's why students scoring amazing marks still end up being stressed. So yes, the situation is painful, but maybe this is also preventing another massive inflation in marks. Now let's talk about the most important thing. What should you actually do now? First thing, do not start studying completely new things. Please do not panic and suddenly start your random 12-hour strategy videos. You don't need that right now. Honestly, मैंने अड्डा 247 ऐसा कुछ तो वो चैनल का नाम है. I've seen that they have started taking marathons. You can do those marathons if you are confident enough, because you will have at least a week or two before the re-NEET. You just need a revision and the momentum again, because 6 दिनों का गैप हो गया है. That's a pretty big gap, but बहुत बड़ा गैप की नहीं कि आप सभी भूल जाओ. Things are there still in your mind. Now another very important thing, this paper has clearly showed one thing, कि PYQs are extremely important. The paper was heavily based on PYQs and the quality of the paper was easy to moderate. It was not hard at all, not like NEET 2025 level जहाँ पे बच्चों को ऐसा धोखा या फिर भड़ास ही निकाल दी थी. And after experiencing the actual exam environment, now you finally understand that why teachers constantly say that do PYQs again and again. So now your focus should be mainly on PYQs, revision, and then at last mock tests. Don't start giving mock tests right away, क्योंकि already आपने बहुत mock tests दिए. अभी वापस आप पहले momentum gain करो. And about the paper difficulty level, कि क्या होगा re-NEET में, seriously, I don't know and nobody knows. I personally feel that paper may become slightly more conceptual, not extremely heavy, but obviously हल्का difficulty level paper का बढ़ने वाला है, because NTA wanted to suddenly make NEET impossible. They would have already done it this year, but ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Instead, the paper pattern was very closer to the paper which was like 2024, 2022 and 2023. So don't overthink. Your physics won't become impossible and the biology won't come out of NCERT. The basics remain the same. Now I want to talk about something very important. Panic. Because after NEET 2024, even this year, I realized something, that a lot of students actually know the concept, but they lose their marks because of the panic, the time management, the small OMR mistakes, overthinking, and silly mistakes. And trust me, this exam hall pressure is real. Even I panic before my exam. So if you are actually scoring lower than your mock scores, don't immediately assume that I will forget everything, I am dumb, I can't do NEET, या फिर I'm never gonna be a doctor, या फिर I am never gonna be successful in my life. No, this is not your last resort or या फिर final destination. Sometimes your mind just freezes under pressure. And the positive thing right now is that you have already experienced the real exam once. So तुम लोगों का real exam ही mock test हो गया था जिन्होंने paper honestly दिया था. And this is actually a huge advantage right now. Now you know that where you panicked, where you wasted your time, where you made your silly mistakes, and how the concentration dropped and how the pressure felt. So now you can actually improve those things before re-NEET. And this phase, don't start giving you, and please don't start giving mock tests right now, tomorrow, if you haven't studied for days. First, revise properly for 2 to 3 days, then gradually start giving mock test again. क्योंकि अगर तुम लोगों ने फटाक से चालू कर दिया, कम मार्क्स आ गए, तो फिर वापस से मैं सब भूल गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. Please don't be in that situation, because if you start suddenly giving mock tests and you score less, you'll feel unnecessarily demotivated, which we don't need right now at all for you guys. And for students who miss selection by 30, 40 or 60 marks, listen carefully. This is genuinely like a second chance for you guys, a real second chance. That's it. And honestly, maybe this entire time, because you already have experienced the exam once, you'll perform even better. Stop scrolling endlessly, stop panicking, stop clicking every random YouTube thumbnail, stop reading negative comments everywhere. Take one textbook or notebook today itself and make a plan for the next 2 weeks. Revise your syllabus once, do more and more PYQs. Slowly restart with the mock test again. And the most important thing, trust yourself. Because after, oh my god, बाल मुंह में चला गया. After everything, you are still standing, still trying, still studying. And you, like अभी गवर्नमेंट के बारे में कितना ही बुरा बोले, क्या ही कर सकते हैं NDA. And that itself says a lot about you कि अभी भी आप हार नहीं मान रहे हो. And yeah, whatever happens from here, please do not let one exam decide your worth as a person. And if this video has helped you even a little, share it with your friends, because right now I think every NEET aspirant needs someone calming them down instead of scaring them more. If you enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.